So we're going to solve that equation system about the tickets here. And we're going to do it with graphing. So here we have 2x plus y equals 32 and x plus 3y equals 36. So graphing a line by finding x and y intercepts is the easy process. So when it doesn't pass through the origin, then we won't have that. But we can just say, okay, let's plug in x equals 0, solve for y, plug in y equals 0, solve for x, and then we'll get 2 points at least. Okay, so again, y equals 0, find the x-intercept. This gives us 16, 0. Then substitute x is equal to 0, and we get 32. So we've got those 2 points. Now, the second equation, do the same thing. Plug in 0 for x and 0 for y, and we get 2 more points. So we get 36, 0, and 0, 12. Now, what we want to do is we want to graph uh, all the different intercepts. And so we're going to do line by line so we don't mix up our lines. So we graph those first 2 points, 16, 0, and 0, 32, and that's what it looks like here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line. And so luckily this is already drawn for me, so I don't have to draw it. And then the second one, we're going to do the next 2 points, 36, 0, and 0, 12, and we get those two. And we're going to draw a line again. And guess what? The intersection is going to be where the points are the solution to this solution is. And so 12, 8 is going to be the solution to the system of equations. So that means the adult tickets are going to cost $12 and the child ticket costs $8. Now, whenever you're doing systems of equations or anything like that, it's always best to check your results. So plug both values into both equations, original equations, especially if you've done anything changing. So we'll take 2 times 12 plus 8. Well, that's going to be 24 plus 8. That's 32. And it's supposed to be 32. So that one works. This one we plug in 12 and 8, and that's going to be 24 plus 12 is 36. That one works. And so therefore 12 and 8 do check and are the solution to the system. Now what happens is sometimes you make a mistake. Maybe if we go all the way back over here, maybe you switched your values here. So instead of going up here, you plug this one over here and you plug this one over here, then you're going to get a totally different system. And so it'll work for one of them, but it won't work for the other one usually. And so if it doesn't work for both of them, you've done something wrong. And don't force a number to work. So if you say this was 24 and 12 and it's 36, but it's supposed to be say 38, don't say that this is 26 and 12 because that doesn't help you at all. You have to do the math correctly. All right, so let's stop here and we'll come back for some more.